Welcome back to Healthy Bee. With the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, the topic of vaccination has been at the forefront of many discussions. While some people are eager to get vaccinated, others are hesitant or even opposed to it. Tonight, we will take a closer look at the pros and cons of vaccination and explore what science has to say about it. The pros of vaccination are clear. Vaccines are a safe and effective way to protect against infectious diseases. They work by stimulating the immune system to recognize and fight off specific pathogens, such as viruses or bacteria. This not only protects the individual who receives the vaccine but also helps to create herd immunity, which means that the disease is less likely to spread in the population. Vaccines have been responsible for eradicating or greatly reducing the incidence of many diseases, such as polio, smallpox, and measles. Protection against diseases. Vaccines are designed to stimulate the body's immune system to recognize and fight specific diseases. This protection helps prevent the spread of illnesses and can save lives. Eradication of diseases. Vaccines have helped to eliminate or significantly reduce the incidence of many serious diseases, such as smallpox, polio, and measles. Prevention of epidemics and pandemics. When large portions of a population are vaccinated, it can help prevent the spread of diseases and prevent outbreaks from becoming epidemics or pandemics. Cost effectiveness. Vaccines are a cost-effective way to prevent illness and reduce healthcare costs associated with treating diseases. Increased immunity in communities. When more people in a community are vaccinated, it can help create herd immunity, which means that even those who are not vaccinated are less likely to contract the disease because the disease cannot spread as easily. Reduced risk of complications. Vaccines can help prevent serious complications of diseases, such as pneumonia, encephalitis, and liver disease. Protection for vulnerable populations. Vaccination is particularly important for vulnerable populations, such as infants, the elderly, and those with weakened immune systems, who are at higher risk for serious complications from diseases. Improved overall health. Vaccines not only prevent specific diseases but also improve overall health and reduce the burden on healthcare systems. Global health. Vaccines can play a crucial role in improving global health by reducing the spread of infectious diseases and improving overall health and well-being. Development of new vaccines. The ongoing development of new vaccines helps to protect against emerging infectious diseases and improve overall public health. Skeptic. However, there are also cons to vaccination. Some people may experience adverse reactions to vaccines, such as fever, soreness, or swelling at the injection site. There have also been reports of more serious side effects, although these are extremely rare. Additionally, some people may question the safety and efficacy of vaccines, or may have religious or philosophical objections to them. Scientists. The science behind vaccines is based on years of research and testing. The vaccines go through multiple phases of clinical trials before they are approved for use by regulatory agencies. This rigorous process ensures that vaccines are safe and effective. The benefits of vaccination far outweigh the risks. Not only does it protect individuals from disease, but it also protects the entire community by preventing the spread of infectious diseases. While the overwhelming majority of scientific evidence supports the safety and effectiveness of vaccines, some people may have concerns about the following potential drawbacks of vaccination. Rare side effects. Like any medical intervention, vaccines can cause side effects. However, serious side effects are extremely rare. Allergic reactions. Some people may have allergic reactions to vaccine components, although severe reactions are very rare. Vaccine hesitancy. Some people may be hesitant or skeptical about the safety or efficacy of vaccines, which can contribute to lower vaccination rates and higher disease prevalence. Inconvenience. Some vaccines require multiple doses, which can be inconvenient or time-consuming. Short-lived immunity. Some vaccines provide only temporary protection against diseases, requiring booster shots to maintain immunity. Cost. Vaccines can be expensive, although many public health programs provide vaccinations for free or at low cost. Religious or philosophical objections. Some people may have religious or philosophical objections to vaccination. Misinformation. Misinformation and myths about vaccines can lead to confusion and distrust, which can contribute to lower vaccination rates. Unequal access. In some areas, access to vaccines may be limited, which can contribute to higher disease rates in certain communities. Ineffectiveness against new strains. Vaccines may not be effective against newly emerging strains of viruses or bacteria. However, scientists are constantly developing and updating vaccines to provide better protection against emerging threats. In conclusion, vaccination is a critical tool for preventing the spread of infectious diseases and protecting public health. While there are potential drawbacks and concerns about vaccines, the overwhelming scientific evidence supports their safety, efficacy, and benefits. Vaccines have helped to eradicate or significantly reduce the incidence of many serious diseases, and have prevented epidemics and pandemics from spreading. The benefits of vaccination are numerous and wide-ranging. Vaccines protect individuals from disease, prevent serious complications and reduce healthcare costs. They also create herd immunity, which helps to protect vulnerable populations and prevent the spread of disease in communities. The ongoing development of new vaccines helps to protect against emerging threats to public health, and vaccines are a critical component of global health efforts. However, concerns about vaccines, vaccine hesitancy, and misinformation can contribute to lower vaccination rates and higher disease prevalence. It is important for healthcare professionals, public health organizations, and governments to address these concerns through education, outreach, and transparency. They must communicate the importance of vaccination, share the latest scientific information about vaccine safety and efficacy, and address any concerns or misinformation that may be preventing people from getting vaccinated. Ultimately, the decision to get vaccinated is a personal one, and people should consult with their healthcare provider to determine the best course of action for their individual situation. However, it is important to base this decision on facts and evidence, and not on fear or misinformation. Vaccines have been and continue to be a critical tool in the fight against infectious diseases, and we must continue to promote their use and development in order to protect public health now and in the future. In the end, the decision to get vaccinated is a personal one. However, it's important to base that decision on the facts and not on fear or misinformation. Vaccines are a critical tool in the fight against infectious diseases, and they have saved countless lives. We encourage everyone to consult with their healthcare provider and get vaccinated when it is available to them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.